It's kids time.
Hello kids, welcome to the Kids Time. In Kids Time, today we will listen a story, The Clever Crow. On a hot summer day, a thirsty crow was flying in search for water everywhere, but there was no water anywhere. At the end, he saw a water pot near a farm. When he saw inside the pot, there was very little water in it. The crow tried to reach the water, but he was not able to do so, as the neck of the pot was very narrow and his beak was not long enough. But the crow was very clever and he hit upon an idea. He collected some pebbles and dropped them into the pot. The pebbles sank down and the water level rose up in the pot. The crow drank lots of water and he was now very happy. So, the moral of the story is when there is a will, there is a way. Hope you like the story. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel for such more stories. Thank you.